Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English, where learning English is easy, fun, and practical.
Hello, I'm so happy you're here today. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great, thank you. It's such a beautiful day outside. How about you?
I'm good too. Thanks for asking. Yes, the day is really nice. Sunny, bright, and warm. It feels perfect.
Sunny days always make me feel more positive. When the sun is shining, I feel full of energy and motivation.
Same here. Weather really affects how we feel. Students, here's a tip. When you want to describe the weather, use words like sunny, cloudy, windy, chilly, hot, or warm. For example, it's sunny today. It's cold outside. It's very windy this morning.
That's useful. Now, before we continue, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us make more lessons for you.
Exactly. Okay, let's start our conversation practice. Let's talk just like friends, naturally, in English.
Great idea. Let's begin with the morning. What did you do this morning?
Well, this morning I woke up early and had breakfast.
Breakfast is important. What did you eat?
I had scrambled eggs with toast and, of course, a big cup of coffee.
Nice. Eggs are healthy and full of protein. I like scrambled eggs too, but sometimes I eat boiled eggs with bread.
Oh, boiled eggs are good. They are simple and quick. What about you? What did you eat this morning?
I had cereal with milk. It's easy, fast, and perfect when you're in a hurry. And yes, I also had coffee.
Coffee lovers unite. Students, notice how we use the simple past tense when we talk about the morning. I had eggs. I ate cereal. I drank coffee. Past tense is key when you describe what you already did.
Good point. And speaking of coffee, how do you drink yours?
I usually take mine with a little sugar and milk, not too sweet.
I'm the opposite. I like just milk, no sugar. I think it tastes smoother that way.
That's the fun thing about coffee. Everyone has their own style.
True. So after breakfast, what did you do?
I went for a walk in the park.
That sounds refreshing. Parks in the morning are peaceful. Were there many trees and flowers?
Yes, so many. Big green trees, colorful flowers, red, yellow, white. It was really beautiful.
Lovely. Flowers add so much color and life. I think nature always helps us relax.
Exactly. And walking in the park is also good exercise.
Absolutely. For me, this morning was different. I stayed at home and read a book.
Nice. What kind of book are you reading?
It's about animals, lions, tigers, elephants, big animals with amazing pictures.
Wow, that must be fascinating. Students, notice how describing your book is a great way to start a conversation. You can say, I'm reading a book about history. I'm reading a book about cooking. I'm reading a book about travel.
Yes, exactly. And when books have pictures, they're even more enjoyable.
Couldn't agree more. So, what are your plans for this afternoon?
I think I'll go to the supermarket.
Oh, shopping. What do you need to buy?
Some fruit and vegetables. I'm planning to make a fresh salad for lunch.
Great choice. What kind of fruit do you like?
Apples and bananas are my favorites, especially sweet red apples.
Same here. Apples are delicious, and bananas give quick energy. And what vegetables are you getting?
Tomatoes and carrots for my salad. Simple, but tasty and healthy.
Perfect. Eating fresh food is the best.
What about you? What are your plans for the afternoon?
I'm going to meet a friend for lunch.
Nice. Where will you go?
To a small cafe near my house. They make really good sandwiches.
Oh, I love sandwiches. Which one is your favorite there?
The chicken sandwich. It's always fresh and tasty.
Yum. Now I feel hungry.
Me too. After lunch, I'll probably go home and watch a movie.
Great idea. Movies are a fun way to relax. What kind do you like?
I enjoy comedies, funny movies that make me laugh.
Same here. Laughter is healthy. Do you have a favorite?
Hard to choose, but I like stories with two funny friends going on adventures.
That does sound fun. For me, I once watched a movie about a very smart dog. It was both funny and heartwarming.
Aww, animal movies are the best, cute and emotional at the same time.
Totally agree. Apart from movies, I also like listening to music. Do you?
Yes, music is part of my daily life. What kind do you enjoy?
I love pop music. It's fun, cheerful, and great for dancing, even if it's just in the kitchen.
How lovely. I can imagine.
For me, I prefer calm music, especially piano music. It helps me focus when reading or studying.
That's wonderful. Students, here's another tip. When someone asks about your music taste, you can answer, I like pop. I enjoy rock. I love classical music. I prefer jazz. Easy and natural.
Very good. Now, let's talk about pets. Do you have any?
Yes, I do. I have a cat named Luna. She is white with blue eyes and very sweet.
Luna. That's a beautiful name. Is she playful?
Sometimes, yes, but most of the time she sleeps. Cats love sleeping.
True. Do I have a pet? Not right now, but I want a dog.
That's a great idea. Dogs are fun and loyal. Would you want a big one or a small one?
Probably medium-sized. Enough energy for walks, but not too big for my house.
Sounds perfect. I hope you get your dog soon.
Thanks. Now, let's talk about family. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one older brother. He's very funny and kind.
Nice. I have a younger sister. She and I are very close. We talk almost every day.
That's so important. Family really matters. My parents live in another city, but I visit often for big dinners.
Lovely. My family is nearby, so we often have barbecues on Sundays. Lots of food, games, and laughter.
That sounds like so much fun. Family gatherings are always special.
Absolutely. Now, let's talk about travel. Do you enjoy traveling?
Oh, yes, I love it. I dream of visiting Italy for the food. Pasta, pizza, gelato.
Amazing choice. For me, I want to visit Japan for the temples, culture, and cherry blossoms.
Beautiful. Students, here's a practice idea. Write 2 sentences. One place you want to visit and why. For example, I want to visit Italy because I love pasta. I want to visit Japan because I like anime.
Great homework. So today we talked about weather, food, books, family, pets, movies, music, and travel.
Yes, it was a full conversation, just like real friends talking.
And that's the best way to practice English. Ask questions, listen carefully, and smile.
Exactly. So students, your challenge is to practice a small conversation with someone you know. Use simple questions like, what did you eat? What are your plans? What music do you like?
Great advice. And don't forget to comment below. Tell us one thing you did today.
We'll read your answers and maybe share them in another video.
Thank you all for joining us. Please subscribe, like, and share.
Keep practicing every day. English gets easier the more you use it.
Exactly. Until next time, bye everyone.
Bye!